be a model.
No. Oh, okay.
Thanks.
Yeah.
You're wonderful.
We're cousins.
Anyway, yeah, we're cousins.
And basically, this thing is because we have absolutely nothing to do.
Yeah. You guys are weird like that.
Yeah, so we decided we're going to make a whole YouTube channel, put out stupid videos, even though tomorrow she's leaving and we're not going to see each other again until August.
I know. We're going to Malaysia.
Woo! I'm going to meet somebody I never met before.
Yeah, I think she's going to meet her grandma for the first time.
Yeah, and
Our grandma, sorry.
And I'm like 14. I don't know who she is.
Yeah, I met my grandma, like the same one that we're talking about.
Yeah.
When I was 15. Isn't that wonderful?
Oh, I'm going to beat you out then. I'm 14.
Okay, well, bring it.
Anyway, so yeah, we're just gonna do stupid things. Cause
Yeah.
We have so honestly, it's gonna be really stupid.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna lie to you, you know.
Yeah.
You know.
So we're actually, our location right now is New York in Queens. This is
dark. Sorry.
Yeah. Well, that's what she said.
I live in the Bronx.
Yeah, she lives in the Bronx as well. She has a house here and a house
apartment
there.
in the Bronx.
There. Yeah.
I refuse to move here, so.
Yeah. And I live in Toronto.
Yeah, I know. She's
So,
stupid, I know. Don't worry.
I am not stupid.
Yes, you are. Look at you having a little blonde moment. How do you know you're not stupid?
You know what? I'm not blonde. I'm not.
You know you're a white girl deep down inside.
Oh, you know what? I'm an Oreo.
Yeah, you are. Anyway, so after we're not gonna do nothing in this episode. We're gonna do other videos and actually do some stupid random stuff.
Yeah. So I hope
This
you
is just trying to explain
our stupidity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, you want to subscribe?
Yeah.
Rate, favorite,
Yeah.
comment. Hate comments will be deleted. Yeah, should we?
Yeah. Hate comments will be deleted.
Yeah.
If you, oh, that'd be rude actually. That'd be fresh.
How do you use it? I'm sorry, that's an insider thing. Sorry. That's an insider of the family.
We'll explain in another episode. If you subscribe, that is, you know.
Yeah.
Get into our inside jokes.
Yeah. We'll teach you all the insight.
Then it wouldn't be an inside.
Oh, and by the way, you see us wobbling around and stuff. We're on the bed. I know you can't see it.
Yeah. Woo! Whee!
And you just feel it. So funny when that is.
No, I think it would hit my head.